The Fox 7 Care Force is brought to you by Advanced Pain Care.
In the Fox 7 Care Force, we are seeing more of a trend, that trend being women veterans starting to take advantage of the benefits that they are entitled to. In this case, it's home loans. And joining us to talk about this is Chris Birk, who is a vice president with Veterans United Home Loans. Chris, thanks for joining us.
Mike, so happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Between 2018 and 2021, VA loans among female veterans grew by almost 35%. Why do you think that is?
Well, women represent the fastest growing demographic in the military over the next 30 years. And this is a group across the board that believes in the power of homeownership. The veteran homeownership rate in this country is about 80%, significantly higher than the civilian population. And that same story is playing out for women who are currently serving and women who have served and who are looking to plant roots in the Austin area. And what we're seeing in communities like Austin and really across the country is that women who have served our country are really ahead of the curve when it comes to home buying compared to their civilian counterparts. And a huge part of the reason why is this hard-earned home loan benefit they have that enables them to unlock access to home buying far ahead of so many of their civilian counterparts.
You know, there's been this increase in women veteran participation in this as far as going out and getting loans. Why do you see that? Do you have any explanation for this increase?
Well, I think part of it is it really dovetails with the incredible increase in VA lending we've seen across the board over the last 15 years. Historically, this was really in the shadows of the mortgage market, about 2% of mortgages year over year. And then starting with the Great Recession, 07 and 08, we have seen exponential growth in VA lending. And part of it is really born of financial necessity. You saw mortgage lenders really tighten their requirements in the wake of the recession. They wanted bigger down payments and higher credit scores. And so it got a lot more difficult for many veterans and service members to secure home financing. They started discovering or rediscovering this benefit that they've earned through service to our country that's been helping veterans and service members and their families build generational wealth for nearly 80 years now.
Is this something that female veterans in the past were not taking advantage of and then started to take advantage of? Is there any tracking there?
Well, I think more like the growth overall that we're seeing is when we really look at the differences between civilian women and women who have served or who are serving. And that's where you really start to see this differentiation in homeownership rate. And it's the same sort of fault lines that you see among veterans of color and then the civilian population. Okay. Military service and the VA home loan benefit have really helped to close the wealth and homeownership gap in this country. And that same story is happening with women in the military. And part of it is a byproduct of just there are increasingly more women serving our country than there ever have been before.
Well, it's a great trend to see, and we're out of time, but we appreciate you taking the time for us to explain what's going on. So, Chris, thank you.
Thank you for all you do to educate veterans and their families.